Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. In this quick video, I'm going to talk about what you should and should not be feeling while doing side angle. So side angle is kind of built off of a warrior two lunge, right? So we're in this position like we would be for a warrior two, and then we're adding in a little bit of a side twist and also bringing our upper body forward so that our shoulders are closer to being over the knee instead of being centered over the hips. So when you're doing this stretch, you should be feeling stretching through your groin. You should be stretching through your chest and your shoulders. You might feel some stretching through your biceps, and then you're also going to feel stretching through the neck. So again, we've got stretching through the groin, stretching through the outer hip, stretching through the chest and the shoulders and the biceps because this arm is extending up, and then also feeling some stretching through your neck because you're turning up to look up at the ceiling. Muscle engagement wise, you're going to feel engagement through your inner thighs because your legs are squeezing toward one another. You want to feel your butt working, you want to feel your hips, your thighs working, and you should feel your abs working because you're using your core to help keep your chest away from the ground, not letting your chest collapse. In terms of things you shouldn't be feeling, you don't want to be using your bottom arm to crank open the twist. So I'm not using my right arm here to push into my knee and crank open. Instead, I want to use active core and spinal strength and mobility to open up without the assistance of, without external resistance. So I'm not pressing into my knee to open it up. I'm using strength in my core to twist and open up through my spine, not pressing into my knee. And then the other thing you want to do is make sure that you don't feel any strain in your neck. So if you feel like you're straining through your neck to look up, it's probably because you are collapsing through your shoulders and your neck. So you're bringing your shoulders and your neck too close to one another, or your shoulders and your head too close to one another. So you want to make sure that you're getting your head away from your shoulders, right? So getting a nice long neck, and then you can look up, and then you shouldn't feel that pain through your shoulders. And those are the main things you want to pay attention to in terms of what you should and shouldn't be feeling in side angle. For more information on this pose, make sure to head to the link in the description below. You'll get benefits, a full pose technique walkthrough, common errors to avoid, modifications if you can't quite do it, and get some FAQs answered. All of the information I just gave you was taken directly from my book, Yoga Fitness for Men. It was a #1 new release in 3 categories on Amazon, featured in Muscle and Fitness magazine, and also in Men's Health online. It's available all over the world, in stores and online. Make sure to check that out. And also, look at the rest of this page. We've got a full pose walkthrough, benefits, modifications if you can't quite do the posture yet, common errors to avoid, and also some answers to common frequently asked questions. And if you're not already on my members area or using one of my programs, make sure to check out the rest of the training resources on this website. There's tons of stuff here to help you learn yoga and also see and experience the benefits of yoga, help you get stronger, improve your mobility, and much, much more. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you use this pose guide and it's useful for you. And I'll see you on the next video.